Grape season is in full swing here at Sagona's. Hi, I'm Robbie Sagona of Sagona's Farmers Market, and I'm here in our Redwood City store today to talk about grapes. This is the time of year where grapes are in full swing. We have a ton of variety. Everything is all really good, and it's all local, basically from north of Bakersfield all the way up to Fresno. I want to highlight a couple of varieties for you that are pretty cool. From the grapery, we have this gumdrop. It's a red seedless grape. It's called a gumdrop. Very, very sweet. Almost has a candy-like taste to it. I'm going to try one. Super sweet. Just a great flavor. Let's come on up here. That cotton candy. Now, the cotton candy is a customer favorite. It really does taste like cotton candy. Not because there's anything added. This is all natural. It just has such a high sugar content that it tastes like cotton candy. It's super sweet. I got to try one of these too since we're here. They're delicious. Moving up the line here, a beautiful black seedless grape called a Sapphire. Absolutely gorgeous. This farmer's out of Fresno. And last but not least, just to highlight another cool grape, it's called a Thomcord grape. This is organically grown. It's a mix between a Thompson seedless and a Concord grape. Has the Concord grape flavor, little to no seeds, and you can eat the skin. It's really good. Grapes are all fantastic right now, locally grown, and you really can't go wrong. I just wanted to highlight a few of the specialties. So come on into Sagona's and get your grapes today.